Block the open flange immediately after removing a toilet to keep sewer gas from escaping. When you lift the toilet, set it on a protected surface and act fast to seal the drain opening. The simplest effective method is a wax-lined paper cup pressed into the flange and rotated to form a seal. If you do not have one, use a tightly packed clean rag or an old towel pushed and twisted into the pipe until it seats. For a more secure temporary seal for longer projects, use a brass or rubber test plug sized to the drain or a sheet of heavy plastic taped around the flange with waterproof tape to create a barrier. Always wear gloves and a mask when handling the trap seal because residual waste and gases can be hazardous, and gloves prevent skin contact while a mask reduces inhalation. Keep ventilation running and open a window for the duration of the job to dilute any fugitive odors that escape during transitions. Before reseating the toilet, confirm the seal is removed and the flange is clean and dry so the new wax ring or sealant bonds properly. Common mistakes include leaving the drain open while you fetch supplies, which lets unpleasant and potentially harmful sewer gas into the home, so prepare your temporary seal before lifting the bowl. Another frequent issue is using loose materials that will slip into the trap when pressure is applied. Avoid that by using a molded test plug or a wax-lined cup pressed firmly and rotated to seat. A third problem is forgetting to ventilate and protect yourself, which allows odors to concentrate and increases exposure risk. Always use gloves, a mask, and cross-ventilation while you work. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical project advice related to bathroom plumbing safety. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where members share tips, techniques, and real project experiences.